Hi, in front of me is CAT S61 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off notifications from chosen apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Apps and Notifications. Then scroll down, choose Notifications, click on See All from last 7 days at the bottom over here and select one of your apps. For example, Send Anywhere. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from this app will be disabled. You can turn them back on by clicking on the same switcher, but you can also tap on one of your apps like Google Play Store and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!